So what would the playoff round of the Royal Navy of Jamaica Premier League be without some controversy? The game between Tivoli Gardens and Montego Bay United. Penalty awarded. Yellow to the goalkeeper for protesting the awarding of the penalty. The same goalkeeper then produces a brilliant save to keep out the penalty. And then the very same goalkeeper stepped to the referee in celebration of vindication, saying, God not sleep, God not sleep. But the referee had the last laugh by flashing a second yellow card and then the mandatory red to the same goalkeeper. Hero now turned villain. The game continued. 1 goal scored and 1 goal conceded for either team. And then another red card for a player just returning from a red card suspension. And yet another one for the goalkeeper coach of the red-carded goalkeeper. All we suspect resulting from the unpunished offense against the same team the game before. The Royal Navy Premier League, the playoffs are here for sure.